Welcome to Cock Channel. Today, let's make an apple cookie keychain with channel stems. Measure a 12 cm piece of channel stem. Then fold it. Leave about 0.5 cm at the end, then twist tightly at the fold. Adjust it into a circle. Fold the longer end to the side. Keep the round shape in place. If it's not long enough, attach another stem. Thread the tail outward, pull it tight, then trim off the excess. Make 2 round pieces like this in total. Take a cream-colored channel stem. Fold it in half, measure 12 cm, then cut it. Take 1/2. Bring the 2 ends together. Twist tightly and shape it into a loop. Make the other half into a loop as well. Take a small metal rod and a brown channel stem. Wrap the channel stem around the rod. Slide it off and gently stretch it out. Stretch it until it's almost the same length as the outer edge of the cookie. Make 3 twisted strips in similar colors. Apply hot glue. Glue the white cream loop onto one side of the cookie. Do the same on the other side. Then glue the 2 cookie pieces together. Apply glue around the edge of the cookie. Attach the matching twisted strip. Then attach the other strip symmetrically. Glue the white cream loop in the center. The cookie base is now finished. Take a red channel stem and cut it in half. Fold a small corner at the end. Roll it downward into a circle. Thread the tail through the edge and pull it tight. Shape it into an apple. Take a brown channel stem. Cut a small 0.5 cm piece for the stem. Next, take a green channel stem. Wrap it around your fingertip to create a 1 cm curve. Shape it into a leaf. You can trim the leaf tip into a point with scissors. Take the apple. Add glue and attach it to the cookie. Glue the apple stem on top. Then attach the leaf beside it. Next, take a cream-colored channel stem. Trim the fuzz off one section. Cut it into 2 pieces, about 0.5 cm and 1 cm long. Curve them slightly. Glue them onto the apple. This creates a little highlight effect. Next, take a small jump ring. Thread it through the gap in the middle of the white cream loop. Then add the bead chain and close it. And your adorable apple cookie keychain is complete. See you next time.